That's where it's attached. That's what needs loosened.
I don't know where.
Like I said. Alex, back up. I mean, Keith. Oh, look at that. Kristen had an idea, and she was right. Just take the freaking axe to it.
Don't get under it, John. You're gonna... Yeah, that's good. Oh, that window.
And my idea was correct. And it's down.
I'm sorry, did you say your thing right now?
No, I said my idea was correct.
Oh, and the window made it. Hey, what the hell? Did you get that one? I thought I did.
That was apparently the bolt that was holding it up.
The whole thing.
Alright, well, there you go.
So, John, just for the camera, say Kristen was right.
Yeah, Kristen was right. Why don't you go look at how close you were to the window?
I can see that.
Yeah, I thought.
Literally like 4 inches.
Booyah! Like, you should have seen that when that first tree came down, how close it was to the house. It was like 4 inches from the house. Okay.
Is that tube of caulking still around? Because they're trying to set up shelter or something, and I might want to.
Yeah, they are.
Surprise.
They are pissed.
Oh, and the door survived.
Wow, look at John's lovely foam work, everyone.
No, you cannot.
All right, let's get circular saws.
All right, you go get a.